How do you take these dried, stiff stalks and turn them into something pliable and beautiful for braiding?
You want the towel to be moist but not dripping.
Towel over the edge. I lay out the garlic in a single layer to start, with the bulbs touching the ground. You need to be careful in this part because this is the part of the garlic that you want to be flexible. This is where it breaks. And I cover up the bulbs so they don't get wet. And I really try to get that little spot right at the base of the bulb. I'm gonna come back and do a bigger spray. For the next layers, I put the bulbs in my hand to keep them dry, and I spray them, and I spray over the other ones that are already there, so the first layer is getting a double spray. And then there's this tricky balancing act. I usually can hold 3 at a time. Sometimes I have 3 or 4 trays going at once if I'm braiding a lot. But it's my funky little method. Give it one more spray. Wrap it up. Scooch these guys in that are sticking out so far. Trying to make sure that this part of the garlic has got the wet towel, but not the bulb. Now I can go do something else for an hour or 2, and it's fine to leave it overnight as well. It will get moldy if you leave it too long, and it can also stain the floor or stain the rug if you leave it too long.